Chloe and Chanel, I Do My Part Being Responsible in Our Family Tree, by Jasmine Gant. After dinner, Chloe and Chanel sat on the living room rug while their mom folded a blanket. Chloe, can you put this blanket on the couch? Their mom asked. Chloe frowned. Why do I always have to help? Her mom smiled. Because you're an important part of our family tree. Did you know that a tree's roots work together to keep it strong and healthy? Chloe shook her head, curious. How? Each root has a job, just like everyone in our family, her mom explained. When we all do our part, our family tree grows strong. Chloe thought about it. So I'm a root? Yes, her mom said. And Chanel is one too. You both help our tree grow by doing your part. Chanel giggled. I'm a root! Later, Chloe was sitting on the porch with her dad. Dad, why do I always have to do chores? She asked. Her dad set down his book and looked at her. Chloe, responsibility isn't about liking chores. It's about doing what's needed. It's how you show you care about your family. But it's hard, Chloe said. Her dad nodded. It is hard sometimes, but when you work hard, it makes you stronger. You're not just helping the family, you're learning how to handle bigger things as you grow. Chloe thought for a moment. So chores help me grow? Exactly, her dad said with a smile. The next morning, Chloe helped her mom in the kitchen. She was stirring pancake batter while Chanel sat nearby, playing with her blocks. I love helping you, Mommy, Chloe said. Thank you, Chloe. You're doing a great job, her mom replied. But as Chloe stirred, she saw Chanel stacking blocks into a tall tower. It looked so fun. Can I play with Chanel instead? Chloe asked, putting the spoon down. Her mom reminded her gently. Chloe, remember the roots. The tree needs all the roots to do their part. If one stops working, the tree gets weaker. Chloe picked up the spoon again and smiled. Okay, I'll finish first. When the pancakes were ready, Chloe and Chanel helped set the table. This looks delicious, Chloe said, feeling proud of her work. Later that day, Chloe and Chanel were in their playroom, building castles and towers with blocks, dolls, and crayons. They had so much fun, but soon the room was a mess. Chloe, Chanel, it's time to clean up, their dad said as he walked in. Chloe looked at the piles of toys and sighed. It's too much. I don't want to clean it all. Her dad knelt beside her. Chloe, when you make a mess, it's your responsibility to clean it up. Start small, put away the crayons first. Chloe nodded and picked up the crayons. I can do this. Me too, Chanel said, picking up blocks. Together they worked until the room was clean. Chloe smiled and said, That wasn't so bad after all. Her dad nodded. Good job, girls. That's how you keep our family tree strong. In the afternoon, the family went outside to rake leaves. Chloe grabbed a small rake, and Chanel followed behind her with a tiny bucket. I like helping, Chloe said, scooping leaves into a pile. I help too, Chanel said, tossing a handful of leaves into the bucket. Their dad walked over and said, Great teamwork. You're showing that being responsible isn't just about cleaning inside. It's about taking care of everything we share, even our yard. Chloe beamed. We're strong roots, Chanel. After raking, Chloe saw Chanel had left her bucket of leaves on the path and was running to play. Dad, Chanel didn't finish, Chloe said. Her dad called Chanel over. Chanel, you're part of this family, and that means finishing your work. Go back and put the leaves where they belong. Chanel looked hesitant, but said, Okay, Daddy. She picked up her bucket and dumped the leaves into the big pile. Good job, Chanel, her dad said. When you finish what you start, you help the whole family. During snack time, Chanel spilled her crackers on the couch. Chanel, you made a mess, Chloe said. I don't want to clean it, Chanel replied. Their dad looked up. Chanel, being responsible means fixing what we mess up. I'll show you how this time, but next time, it's your job. He handed her a cloth, and Chanel cleaned up with Chloe's help. See? We're both roots, Chloe said proudly. At bedtime, Chloe climbed into bed while Chanel snuggled with their mom. Mommy, it was so hard to clean up today, Chloe said. I just wanted to keep playing. I know it's hard sometimes, her mom said, but taking responsibility, even when it's not easy, helps us all grow stronger. You're setting such a good example for Chanel and for the baby. Chloe smiled. I want to keep being a strong root. One sunny afternoon, Chloe and Chanel sat under a big tree in their yard. Mommy, our family tree is strong, right? Chloe asked. Yes, because you and Chanel are strong roots, their mom said. Chloe turned to Chanel. We're going to keep doing our part. Chanel nodded. And we'll teach the baby how to be a root too. Their mom and dad smiled proudly as their family tree grew stronger every day. The end. To purchase this book on Amazon, go to the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe.